Hi guys, so I touched on successful solution method briefly in my previous video, and in this video I'm going to go more in depth on the program, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Danielle Pouncey. I'm an online offline affiliate marketer. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 3 years, and I got into affiliate marketing because about 3 years ago I was laid off from my job. And around that time, I also found out that I was pregnant. So I wanted to find ways in which I can earn some additional income from home. And about 2 months ago, I stumbled upon this amazing program called Successful Solution Method. It's a task-based program in which you're simply completing daily tasks and earning commissions. I'm going to give you an introduction to this amazing platform. Just give me a second so that I can share my screen. Okay guys, so when you click the link that's in my description, this capture page is going to pop up. And so what you want to do is you want to type in your email address, and I'm just going to use this email for video purposes. Once you type in your email address, you're just going to click send me the info now. And it's going to take you to this page. And also, I'm going to pause this. Here is a video, an 11-minute video of people sharing their success with the program, their testimonials. So you can watch that video once you gain access. With Successful Solution Method, you're going to get paid 3 to 5 times weekly. It's a beginner-friendly program, so if you're new to affiliate marketing, then this is the program for you. So you don't have to be afraid or think you're going to do something wrong. This program is going to help you be on the right track to start earning commissions and to teach you how to build a successful online business. There's no experience needed. You can start within minutes. So when you get started with Successful Solution Method, you're going to receive an email with step-by-step instructions on what you need to do in order to start earning commissions. You're also going to get step-by-step videos, so there's no gray areas. It's laid out for you, ABC 1, 2, 3. This system has shown proven results. It's 100% flexible. So if you have a busy work schedule, you have kids, you have a husband or a wife, you can just set aside 2 hours out of your day to complete your tasks for this program. And it's also a simple 3-step system in which I'm going to explain further. And here, this is the click here to get access now. So you would just click this button once you're ready to sign up. This business can be done from a laptop, smartphone, tablet, anywhere where there's internet connection. You can do this business, guys. You would only need 1 to 2 hours out of your day, 5 days a week. Does this system really get results? Yes, as you can see, here's a pic of income proof. Here's another screenshot. Look at all of these deposits, guys. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. And look at the amounts of the deposits. And here we have more screenshots of income proof, and it just keeps going and going. That's amazing. So as you can see, this program really does work. And also here's some information that you can read up on the biggest challenges that individuals face when trying to generate income online. So once you access the system, you can go ahead and read this right here. So here's a little introduction to successful solution method. As I stated, there's no experience needed. You can make a profit quickly if you do your income producing activities. It says it takes less than 60 minutes per day, but myself, I do 2 hours per day, 5 days a week to gain better results and to maximize my earnings. You're going to get simple step-by-step instructions. You can generate multiple streams of income with this program. And as I stated before, you can work from your desktop, your laptop, or even your phone. And here's the little click here to get access now, which I'm hoping that you all do after watching this video. You can see all of the amazing things that you get with Successful Solution Method. So what exactly is Successful Solution Method? So it's basically a simple 3-step system. So step 1, set up your account. Setting up your account is going to be simple, guys. It's easy. There's no lengthy application process or drawn out submission. Once you click the link in my description, you go ahead and set up your account. And once your account is set up, you're going to get that email with step-by-step instructions on what you need to do next in order to start earning commissions. Step 2, schedule your time. So this system, it takes about, I would suggest doing 2 hours per day. So just make sure you set 2 hours aside out of your day so that you can complete your income producing activities or your tasks so that you can earn commissions and you won't miss out on your commissions. So it's very important to just set that 2 hour time aside. Step 3, complete the tasks. Completing the tasks are easy, guys. And I'm going to explain those tasks, more about those tasks in my next video. And as I stated, these tasks can be done from a cell phone, your tablet, desktop, laptop. As long as you have internet connection, you can work this business, guys, and get paid weekly. So it's a simple system, guys. Very, very simple. And most newbies who just getting started in affiliate marketing are earning within 1 to 2 weeks of being in this program, guys. And here's more information about Successful Solution Method, and these are the things that you're going to learn in Successful Solution Method. So you're going to learn how to generate profit very quickly, even if you're a complete newbie. You're going to avoid making costly mistakes, and you're going to learn how to maximize your profits. You're going to be able to learn how to create multiple streams of income without adding any extra work or stress to your daily process. You're going to learn the 3 biggest mistakes that people never realize that they're making when trying to build a successful online business. So you're going to learn how to avoid those mistakes. You're going to learn the secrets to doubling your productivity. You're going to get insider strategies to scaling and tripling your profits within your first 90 days of being in Successful Solution Method. You're going to get cutting edge strategies from member only training sessions. Guys, those training sessions are awesome. And you'll see once you get started in Successful Solution Method. Right here, we have more testimonials of individuals who are earning within the program. This guy says he earned within his first 48 hours. So guys, that's amazing. We have a lot of testimonies here. And as I scroll down, these are the different levels, which I will touch more on in another video. And this is the not so fine print. So guys, as you can see, this program is amazing. As I stated, it's just a simple step-by-step program in which you're just simply completing daily tasks and earning commissions. So if you're ready to hop on this train with me, just click the link that's in the description and go ahead and get started. I'm going to also leave the webinar registration link in the description so that you can go ahead and register for the Wednesday night webinar. And I'm also going to leave my Facebook link so that you can connect with me, or you can message me if you have any additional questions regarding successful solution method, or if you just want to chat, I'm available. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.